In the radiant Luminara flower kingdom, Princess Ava, adorned in her striking purple boots, embarks on a whimsical adventure. Bravery and kindness sparkle in her eyes. The fluttering flowers of Luminara dance around her, whispering secrets of a magical world. With each step, the kingdom unfolds, revealing hidden paths and untold stories waiting to be discovered by its spirited little explorer. The radiant skies of Luminara, once filled with sunshine and birdsong, are now marred by ominous clouds and suffocating smoke. A chorus of voices rises in panic as the villagers scream, "The dragon's back!" Within the majestic halls of the royal castle, a flurry of royal guards rush with urgent determination, their polished armor gleaming under the watchful eyes of ancient portraits. Amidst the escalating chaos, Princess Ava softly proposes, "Perhaps the dragon needs our help, rather than being angry." Her words hang in the air, a beacon of compassion against the backdrop of fear and impending conflict. With an adventure pack, Ava bravely advances towards the enigmatic Foggytail Forest, where the dragon was last seen. The forest, shrouded in mist, conceals ancient secrets and untold dangers. Wa's unwavering gaze reflects her resolve as she prepares to confront the unknown within the dragon's domain. In Foggytail Forest, Ava stumbles upon a colossal dragon, its scales shimmering green as it rests atop a mountain of fallen leaves. The dragon's immense form is racked with violent sneezes, each cough and wheeze echoing through the ancient woods. The dragon, a creature of legend, is reduced to a pitiful state, its majestic presence overshadowed by obvious discomfort. In Foggytail Forest, the dragon's fiery sneezes ignite the sky, painting the heavens with fleeting bursts of light. Each sneeze from the dragon sends tiny fireballs shooting into the sky like popcorn, explaining the smoky clouds. The forest, shrouded in a perpetual haze, hints at the dragon's presence, its fiery breath shaping the very atmosphere. In the heart of Foggytail Forest, a dense fog weaves a mysterious shroud, concealing ancient trees in a world of ethereal beauty. Amidst the mist-laden woods, Was determined gaze cuts through the fog as she cautiously approaches a majestic dragon. With a whisper of concern, Ava softly asks, "Are you okay?" A dense fog envelops Foggytail Forest, cloaking the ancient trees in an eerie silence. The dragon, majestic despite its ailment, laments, "I've caught a cold, you see." The dragon continues, its voice echoing through the fog-laden forest. "And everyone ran away before I could ask for help." In the heart of Foggytail Forest, Princess Ava radiates warmth and compassion. With a gentle smile, Princess Ava lovingly offers, "I'll take care of your Sniffles." In the heart of Foggytail Forest, Ava tenderly wraps a cozy scarf around the dragon's neck, a gesture of warmth against the crisp morning air. In the heart of Foggytail Forest, sunlight struggles to penetrate the thick canopy, casting an ethereal glow upon the scene. Amidst the forest's embrace, Ava, a young witch, meticulously tends to a small fire, her bright eyes reflecting the dancing flames. A kettle bubbles, its steam mingling with the misty air, as Ava delicately infuses her brew with mint, leaves, and honey. The forest is still, as Ava adds a handful of mint leaves and a drizzle of honey to the brew. In the mystical Foggytail Forest, a gentle mist dances among the ancient trees, casting an ethereal glow. Ava sings a soothing lullaby, her gentle voice harmonizing with the forest's tranquil rhythm. A colossal, amiable dragon rests peacefully, its tail beating softly in harmony with Wa's tender melody. The lullaby weaves a spell of tranquility, uniting girl and dragon in a symphony of peace. In the mystical heart of Foggytail Forest, ancient trees stand veiled in mist, as Ava extends a warm invitation to a young dragon. With scales shimmering softly in the gentle light, the young dragon, slightly bewildered, responds with a tentative puff of smoke. In a tender gesture of guidance, Ava holds up a giant leaf, shaped like a comforting tissue, as a symbol of care and understanding. In Foggytail Forest, the dragon's sniffles echo through the trees, each one a little softer than the last. Each gentle touch brings comfort, mending not just a cold, but a heart longing for kindness. As care envelops him, the dragon's sniffles transform into soft sighs of contentment, a symphony of healing in the heart of the woods. In the heart of Foggytail Forest, a heavy fog blankets the ancient trees, creating an eerie and mysterious atmosphere. Amidst the spectral gloom, the dragon's scales shimmer faintly, his massive form hinting at untold power and loneliness. With a voice resonating with melancholy, the dragon confesses, "I've never had a friend before." A heavy admission hangs in the air as the dragon laments. Everyone thinks dragons are scary. In Foggytail Forest, sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy, casting elongated, ethereal shadows that dance across the forest floor. Princess Ava, young and filled with unwavering hope, stands resolute, her eyes reflecting a deep-seated determination. With a voice filled with conviction, Princess Ava declares, "People just need to get to know him." In the radiant Luminara, Ava extends her hand, beckoning the majestic dragon towards the Spring Glow Festival. The dragon approaches, its eyes reflecting the joyous anticipation of the festival. The air is filled with the intoxicating aroma of blooming flowers, a promise of renewal and celebration. Beneath the ethereal glow of Luminara, a village trembles with anticipation as a majestic dragon arrives, its presence both terrifying and wondrous. With a gentle exhale of warm breath, the dragon transforms a simple kernel into a delightful cloud of popcorn, casting a spell of joyous disbelief over the crowd. Laughter and wonder replace fear as Luminara embraces the dragon's unexpected gift, turning a night of dread into a celebration of unity and friendship. Under the cloak of night, Luminara is ablaze with the dragon's glittery flames, painting the sky with ephemeral sparks of light. Each spark dances in the air, a fleeting testament to the dragon's fiery breath, illuminating the darkness with fleeting beauty. The dragon's fiery spectacle transforms Luminara into a realm of enchantment, where darkness yields to the ephemeral beauty of its incandescent breath. Under the velvet cloak of night, Luminara transforms into a realm of enchantment, where dragons become gentle steeds for gleeful children. Giggles echo through the air as children, perched atop the magnificent dragon, experience a flight of fancy beneath a canopy of stars. The dragon, a symbol of power and majesty, bows to the innocent joy of youth, offering a dreamlike journey to the stars. Under the radiant Luminara sky, Sir Sneezy transforms into the kingdom's most beloved fire-breathing companion. Sir Sneezy, with a mischievous grin, unleashes a playful burst of fire, captivating the kingdom's heart. Amidst cheers and laughter, Sir Sneezy solidifies his place as the kingdom's cherished, fire-breathing friend. Sunlight bathes the royal castle, igniting dust motes in a celestial dance, while Ava contemplates the kingdom's horizon. Lost in introspection, with furrowed brow hints at the weight of her thoughts on empathy's profound strength. In a moment of quiet conviction, Ava softly proclaims, "Kindness heals more than medicine sometimes." Bathed in the radiant sunlight of Luminara, Ava stands poised before a gathering of younglings, her presence a beacon of wisdom and strength. With a gentle yet resolute gaze, Ava imparts the profound truth. Bravery isn't just wielding a sword or casting a spell. She emphasizes that true courage lies in listening to those in need, helping where you can, and truly caring for one another. In the quiet stillness of Luminara, was words echo with the promise of a brighter, more compassionate future. In the heart of Foggytail Forest, sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy, painting the mossy ground with fleeting shadows. A young girl named Ava skips joyfully along the trail, her bright, curious eyes reflecting the forest's hidden wonders. Beside the path, a towering tree spirit, Sir Sneezy, stands rooted, his grumpy gaze fixed upon the unsuspecting child. In the radiant glow of Luminara, Ava and Sir Sneezelot bid farewell, their bond of friendship shining brighter than the sun. The final wave marks the end of their journey, leaving a lingering sense of warmth and camaraderie in the air. As they part ways, the unspoken promise of future adventures hangs sweetly in the air, a testament to their unbreakable connection.